This is a Helles and this is a Weissbier. Don't get them confused, that's two totally different beer styles. I'm Markus, I run this brewery, I'm a Bavarian ambassador, and I show you everything you need to know about beer. The perfect temperature to drink a beer is 7 degrees Celsius. And that's very important because if it's too warm or too cold, you don't get the right aroma. And now it comes to the art of the pour. You have to tilt the glass in a 45-degree angle. I pour slowly but surely. The first foam sits down. We get the yeast from the ground of the bottle and pour the second sip. Be patient, wait and wait and wait. And now it's done. Look at this beauty. Prost.